played one ads and also played second ads and skip second ads, but it's simple. Now you watch your videos on minimum 33 minutes on the first point like this. You after the two ads watch, but you need 3 minutes watch your videos. But you have 10 minutes. I want you I skip my video like 50 second, like I save my times for this purpose. When you have more time and more devices, you played and complete watch your videos, it's very good, brother. But sometimes you have no time, like we want I earn more money from more channels, more 20 gmails, but you have no time. You just skip the 50 second, and like you watch 30 second more, but you more skip the videos like that. I skipped it. I watched 30 minutes, but I skipped the 15 minutes. But now I am also forward my videos in 30 to 60 second more, but now my video will be play. But look at this, brother, videos is also played. But you need, brother, 60 minimum 60% videos you will be watched, like 10 minutes videos you will be mostly, you need you watch your video in 6 minutes minimum. You need sometime you want I will be I want I completely watched, but it's no problem, it depend on you. But you will be minimum 60% you will be watch your videos, brother. But look at this. Now I already watched like 6 minutes, but I want skip more like this video and skip more my video. But brother, this is the point, brother. When you have 10-minute videos, you will be watch your video in the last you will be watch, you need last you will be need 2 minutes like this. I watch the 3 minutes in first and sometime more watch in middle and skip like that. But last you will be need 2 minutes minimum you will be watched on the last point. You will be watch your video in the 2 minutes. But when I watch like that, video will be very long, 30 minutes. But I want I convey this tutorial in just 15 minutes. But point is very most, but I will be easily I'll easily my topic discover in just 10 minutes. But no, brother, I want you will be I convey my all tutorial, all method in very clear points to you. For that, brother, this video is more than 28 minutes, brother. I don't want I more than this